So again, we're going to use Pascal's triangle to expand out the second bracket, so it's to the power of 4. So this is our list of coefficients, so it's 1, and then it's by the first term to the power of 4 and the second term to the power of 0, but I'm not going to include that because anything to the power of 0 is just 1. Our next coefficient is 4, so remember 2x is going down to a power of 3, and then you have minus 3y, which is just going to have a power of 1, which we're not going to write in. The next one is 6, and we have 2x is going to go to squared, and minus 3y is going to go to squared as well. The next one is 4, and 2x is going to go to the power of 1, which I'm not going to write in, and 3y or minus 3y is going to go to the power of 3. And then the last one is 1, so 2x is going to go to the power of 0, so it's going to disappear. So that is going to go to minus 3y to the power of 4. And if we simplify that out, so we'll first term here, so 2 to the power of 4 is 16x to the power of 4, and that's multiplied by 1, so it's 16x to the power of 4. The next one, so we have 2 to the power of 3, we'll do that first of all, so that's going to give us 8x cubed, and then we're going to multiply that by minus 3, so 8x cubed by minus 3 is going to give us, so 8x cubed by 4, is 32. 32 by minus 3 is minus 96. Sorry, that should be a minus. Minus 96, and it's x to the power of 3y. The next one, so 6. We'll do the 2 first, So this is going to give us, if you want to write it in, so this is going to give us 4x squared. This is going to give us 9y squared. 4 times 9 is 36. And then times that by 6. It gives you a positive 216, and it's x squared, y squared. I'll just rub that out so it's out of the way. The next one, so minus 3 to the power of 3 is minus 27. 4 by 2 is 8. 27 by 8 is 216. And that's going to be a minus as well. So that's minus 216, and that's xy cubed. And the last one, minus 3 to the power of 4. So that's going to be 81. And that is going to be y to the power of 4. And if we scroll over here, we'll notice that it should be the same as our last expansion. So 16x to the power of 4, 96 x cubed y, 216 x squared y squared, minus 216, and plus 81y to the power of 4. So it is a similar method, and as we see there in the 2 examples, you should get the same answer, but these ones are using Pascal's triangle. And things that you'll notice, so if you're doing, say, the 6th expansion, that means there should be 7 terms. If you're doing the 5th expansion, there should be 6 terms, and so on. But it just means that it's nice and easy. Rather than doing the 6 choose 0, then 6 choose 1, Pascal's triangle is just another way to find those numbers in front, is to do Pascal's triangle when you get to the row you're looking for. It's the same as what we did up here. These numbers are the same as these. So you can either do your choose, and that's using your binomial expansion, or you can use Pascal's triangle, which you just draw out a quick sketch of the triangle beforehand.